Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel Fashion Box. Viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Viewers, I hope you all are enjoying best health and I wish you all the best. Viewers, today I am going to show you different type of mehndi designs. So from your last and previous feedback, I got to know that you guys liking my mehndi design. Thank you so much for liking, for appreciating, for promoting my designs. Thank you so much. And today I am again showing you different mehndi designs. I hope that you guys like it. Different type of mehndi designs are shown in this video. You can see full head mehndi designs, simple, elegant, sober mehndi designs, full hand mehndi designs. All type of mehndi design variety is shown over here. So watch my video till end so that you can get to know how much beautiful designs they are. And viewers, my beautiful viewers, if you're new on my channel Fashion Box, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that my every video notification comes first to you. I hope these beautiful mehndi designs are showing you good impression. These mehndi designs can be applied on your hand, on your foot, at any occasion, or you can apply it at your home if there is no occasion in your family. So all you have to do is watch these designs till the end and make sure you have screenshotted the favorite design you have selected from this video. And if you know how to apply mehndi, it is easy for you to apply it. As you know, these designs are very simple to apply, and I hope you guys not finding it difficult to apply on your hand. If you guys like my video, then kindly support me, appreciate my video and hit the like button, and also post a comment so that I get to know how much you guys like these videos. You can also tell me, you can also suggest me any new type of topic that I must discuss over here, or I must make a new video on that topic. These beautiful elegant mehndi designs are easy to apply on your hand. I hope you guys don't find it difficult. Thank you so much for liking, for appreciating, for motivating me by supporting my videos. And you can support me by sharing my videos with your friends, family through Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. By sharing my videos with your friends, you can promote me, you can motivate me to make new ideas, new 2019-20 latest mehndi designs, latest ideas about fashion all over the world. So viewers, in my channel Fashion Box, you can find beautiful gold earring designs, studs designs, ethnic style sophisticated 18K 22K carat gold designs, diamond styles. Other than that, jackets designs, denim jackets, shoes designs, boots designs, different type of mehndi designs, bridal mehndi designs, footwear, bridal dresses, bridal lehenga designs, party wear dresses, walima dresses, mehndi dresses, and prom dresses, maxi designs, and all the stuff that includes in fashion. is discussed over here. So in my channel you can find all these type of fashion, and other than that, if you find something new that I have not suggested you can tell me in the comment section so that I will make a video for you guys. Do tell me how you find my mehndi designs. Watch my video till end so that you can support me. I don't think so these designs are so much difficult to apply. I hope you guys like my designs, my choices. Thank you so much for watching my video. Watch it till the end. I hope you all a very good health. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Till there, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Take care of you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it and comment it. Bye bye.